So I'm doing a Sephora First Impressions. I just did my foundation. I used the Cali Ray Skin Tint. So that's going to be its own review, but we're going to do everything else. We're going to use the Kosas Concealer. I got this shade. Hopefully this matches me. It's in 01 Neutral. I thought this was cool how like it goes through the tube like without making, hopefully it doesn't make a mess like my e.l.f. one. All right, please don't be too late. I didn't know what I was doing. It kind of smells like paint a little bit, and hopefully we'll cover up some breakouts a little bit on my nose. I don't know how, it says it's full coverage. My nose is really dry right now, so just ignore that. Yeah, I like how you can put it in there and it kind of takes like excess product out instead of looking like this. But there's nothing like, I mean, there is and there isn't, but it's just kind of like a deep dark hole down there. And it looks kind of gross. It makes a mess everywhere. Okay, so first we're going to use the brush. All of my concealers and foundations kind of like cake up there, so oh, it looks so much better. I like the skin tint, but like I've been breaking out hormonal breakouts from post breastfeeding and all that fun stuff. And I needed to try a new concealer, and I thought, you know, why not? I haven't tried a high-end besides my Gerard Clean Canvas, which is not supposed to be a concealer, but I use it as a concealer. I think I did pretty good on the shade. I don't know why I'm so dry everywhere, even though I'm using a thick moisturizer. You to exfoliate more, I guess. I exfoliated a couple of days ago, so. I got one of those facial razors. I haven't used it yet, but I need to because maybe that'll help with like everything. Okay, and then let's use a sponge. I feel like it's gonna soak up the product, but sometimes it looks nicer on my nose. Yeah. Some hydration back in there. Oh my God, it's like literally flaking my nose. Like it's so gross. Anybody pick up that Jaclyn Hill concealer? I heard, oh God, I felt so bad. I almost got it too. I'm glad I didn't, because like, what was it, $25, $28? Like, I mean, it's just, the skin tint looks nice, but God, every single like time she has a release, it's like something happened, you know? So, I'm gonna put a little bit more. I feel like I like the brush better. I don't know what it is of me, but for the most part, I think the shade looks nice. Albino. I think they have a good shade range, which I really like, because I don't like when there's not enough light shades, and I don't like when there's not enough dark shades. Like, that's just ridiculous. I mean, what year are we in, you know? Okay, so far so good. My makeup, because I hate returning things, and I hate buying things that I don't like, because I will return it. I'm not gonna keep it. Like, it looks nice, so please. And I do set my concealers, even though I have dry skin, if I don't set my concealer, it is going to crease and just look terrible. I am 29, so I do have some wrinkles. But like, look how brightening that looks. That's what I wanted too. I wanted like a brightening concealer that's not super like heavy, but I do like my coverage. Mama does have dark circles, so even though I do sleep pretty decently, I don't know. Ooh, really like it. Yay! And then I got the Charlotte Tilbury Pal. Like, look how cute that is. You cannot tell me that this packaging doesn't look super cute. My husband's like, who cares? I think it looks cute. Even this was $25 for the mini, I think it looks cute, so that's what matters. Like, look at little baby powder. And of course I got the shade Fair. I'm gonna try it on my under eyes with my Luxy Precision Foundation Brush. 660. I don't want to ruin it. Like, look how pretty it is. Okay. I wonder if it's supposed to be like an airbrush kind of finish. Oh my God. It's just a little pain. I wonder how long this is gonna last though, because I don't really go through like powders like ever. was really nice. Like it feels like super smooth. I've been tried a lot of pressed powder, so impressed. I'm impressed by a pressed powder. Oh my god, it looks really pretty. It doesn't really have a lot of kick up either, which I like. Instead of sometimes with loose powders, it's like a mess, you know. This would be nice. For the first time ever, or like in a long time, I got ready in the car, and that was like an experience in itself. So this would be nice instead of I was using a loose powder and thinking it was gonna go all over my lap and all over the car and look like, you know, white powdery substance in my car. Ignore the nose. I also got a brow gel, the Makeup by Mario brow gel. Looks, again, no excess product because it has a little, like, almost like a sifter, I guess. So it's clear. There's like 2 brushes to it. Let's see if it has directions. I don't see anything. So it almost smells like glue. So we're gonna brush up. Am I even doing this correctly? I don't know. With the big side. I hope this stays. Like, I hope this lasts, because that's the only problem is, like, my brow hairs just don't want to behave, you know? I don't like that. Like, I have a lot of brow hair, but I don't like it falling. Okay, so then we're going to use the smaller side to, like, ooh, I like this, like, double-sided. Because my other ones, my other brow gels are, like, super cheap from e.l.f. and, which, they're good, but, like, I feel like we all have our own makeup like issues that after you try a lot of makeup you figure out like what you like and what you don't like. It's kind of, I don't know if I like that. So I don't know if you guys can see that, like a little white. It kind of looks like dried glue. I don't know about that. Maybe it's like, it literally looks like glue from where I'm from. Like, can you guys see that? I'm gonna do my brows off the camera and I'll be right back. All right, my eyes are done except for I'm gonna do mascara. I'm gonna use the new Cali Ray mascara, well, new to me, Come Hell or High Water. This is a tubing mascara. I really hope I like it. Let's see, it says, okay, bye to ugly cries and grungy under eyes. 0 smudges, lash conditioning argan oil, easy roll off removal, volumizes and curls for reals. All right, I'm gonna curl my lashes because I've realized that actually does help my lashes like a lot. Okay, disclaimer, I like really voluminous, very long lashes, lots of volume. I've only tried like, I think one other tubing mascara. Packaging is really pretty. Ooh, and I got the travel size because that's what I usually do. Also use a little mirror while also looking in a big mirror. Okay, so I put it on and then I wiggle it a little bit. I like the idea of tubing mascaras. Oh, it's just like a normal natural bristle one, by the way. And I really want to like this brand because they are sustainable. But a lot of times, like, more natural makeup is not always my favorite. But then again, I really do like the Jane Iredale new mascara. But their other mascaras were fine. After getting more into makeup, as I said, I like very voluminous lashes, very long. Okay, maybe usually I do like 3 coats, honestly. So that'd be kind of cool for a tubing mascara to, okay, so I mean, like, it definitely is lengthening. It's better than I've tried with other ones. I think I tried the Blink one and that was just terrible, and their eyeliners were absolutely atrocious. I have not tried the Thrive one. I don't know, $25 for mascara is a lot. I did not buy my Jane Iredale one. That was my mom. Okay, so we're gonna do, so that's just 1 coat compared to my normal lashes. So it definitely did something. Okay, let's do another one. So if you like lengthening, and I will let you guys know how the wash off is, because that would be cool too. I don't really, it doesn't really bother me when I have panda eyes, but it's like, I'm sure it's not really good for your skin to have mascara all over your face. Night and day. So that's really pretty. Let's do the lower. So far, so good with everything. We still have one more item to use, the lip liner. And then when I get the Rare Beauty bronzer, I will... Okay. When I get the Rare Beauty bronzer stick, I will also show you guys that. Okay, so let's do the other side. I'll be right back. All right, found my Charlotte Tilbury lip liner, lip cheat in the shade Pillow Talk. I'm sure I'm the only one in the entire planet that has not used this, so. Ooh, it feels creamy. Oh my god, it's really pretty. It does feel really nice, and it's like a perfect pink. Ooh. I know the price is high, but like, it just looks nice. I mean, I'm not gonna say it doesn't, okay? And that is all the products that I have for my little try on. So this is my check-in, end of the night, how my makeup looked. I have no complaints. The brow gel, while it does feel a little crunchy, it did hold my brows. Like, it is like a brow gel. Like, it does what it says it does. It's supposed to do. So that looks good. The mascara, I mean, like, I think that's pretty good. So, like, there's no... That was there before, by the way. I don't know what I did, but it was from earlier. Apparently, I wasn't paying attention. But anyway, or it's like creasing a little bit. But look, I don't see any spots or anything like that. I will show you guys how it looks when I take it off. Lip liner, it lasted pretty decent. I mean, it is a $25 lip liner, but I don't know. It's just supposed to be nice, and I mean, it is a nice formula. I'm not gonna say it's dry. It does feel really nice, but it is, end of the day, a lip liner. The concealer, I do have fine lines, so I'm not expecting perfection here, but I'm not like seeing anything terrible. Like, I have had concealers that were just absolutely awful. Powder, I mean, it feels really smooth. Like, I thought it was gonna crease, and this is how my concealer like always looks, honestly. So I'm just impressed with the tube mascara. I thought it was gonna be absolutely awful. So I'm very impressed. And then you guys will see a foundation review as well. Looks really good. Teaser. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like and turn your notifications on. Let me know if there's anything I should pick up. It's vegan and cruelty free at Sephora or Ulta or wherever online. And have a good night. Have a great day. See you in my next one. Bye. I don't know if you can see that, but like little tubes are coming off instead of having panda eyes completely. So it's kind of cool. It's coming off. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that. So, but I like it. My skin up close before it gets all washed off. I like my eye look today, but bye-bye.